currently pursuing BSc Economics at St. Xavier's College, Kolkata, and this is my third year. Calls from IIMs A, B, C, L, K, I as well, FMS and SPGen and XLRI as well. Experience with the faculty has been largely positive, in fact, if not completely positive. So in terms of specifically, I would like to mention quant, because that was the one area where I discovered that, there are lots of tricks and methods and shortcuts, and also there's a lot of conceptual background that goes into it. And the entire faculty, but specifically I would like to mention the quant, was extremely helpful. And given that that's one of the areas where I had to focus most of my energy on, I think I'd like to mention that. And even otherwise, in terms of LRDI and VARC as well, the faculty was extremely approachable. And there were a lot of extra classes that were scheduled in case we had missed out, and we had lots of doubt clearing sessions as well. So I think as a complete all-round, the experience was very positive. Study material was fabulous, actually, I would say, because the handouts are one part of the study material, of course, which are given alongside the classes. Solving that, after that you get to the books, and I found that the entire progression of how there were solved examples as you were going along, understanding the material, and then there were the levels of difficulty 1, 2 and 3, which were like 30 problems for each chapter, was amazing. And right at the end you also had the test exercises, which were extremely helpful. The one thing that really stood out to me, which I really liked about the study material, was how all of it was also available on the online portal in a timed format, which is something that I was more comfortable with when preparing to give the exam. So study material overall was amazing. Continuation of my experience with the study material, since they're also ended up extending into the portal as well, it was extremely positive, given that this was, I think, COVID year was the year when it was first started, and then it was continuously updated. So it was hugely positive in that regard, because new headings, new sections were continuously added, and the faculty was also extremely approachable when it came to, so we need some video sessions because we need concept clearing better in that format. So it was very adaptable, and it was a great experience. Experience with the test series was, so there were levels in it with tests as well, and then you had the CAT mocks as well, and that was hugely positive, especially because of how they were released on a weekly basis. So you had to schedule to follow as well, and you weren't lagging behind. And especially when you have the entire batch, you were able to see your rank as to where you stand as well. So the test series was good for me in that regard, and also the video solutions especially. Personalized attention, I think that was the one area which, when it came to the interviews, was really make or break. Classes, we had continuous mentoring sessions if we wanted to avail of them. So the faculty was always approachable in case you wanted to ask them, sir, I want to work on this area, could you please give me guidance? So that's one thing that was there right from the beginning. Later stage, when you had to go for the form filling and the statement of purposes, when all the applications were coming in, at that point of time, the faculty was extremely approachable and devoted a lot of time to helping you out. We had continuous sessions for each institution that was coming in, and there was a lot of work that went in. From our side was one thing, but the amount of work that went in from the sir's side was, I think I can't even put it in words. And then when it came to the personal interview sessions where we had the mentoring sessions, in that regard there was, I think Kaushik sir put in like an insane amount of hours. So that was there, and it was all very extremely well thought out. So to that extent, it was extremely personalized to us in terms of, since there are teachers and they've been with us, they know us very well. And all of that went into it. And even the front desk was extremely approachable in terms of if you wanted to have a few extra personal interviews or a mock interviews, the faculty was always there, and Sajal sir was extremely helpful. And in that regard, the faculty was very knowledgeable because they knew about, this is the kind of interview you might be having for this particular institute, and then they tailored it accordingly. So the personalized attention, there can be absolutely no words. It all in, I think a lot of people also had faced the thing that, we don't have to a way of transport to reach the classes, but in online format we had continuous classes, so there was no break. The portal was up and running extremely quickly, and even before that the classes had already started, and in that we had a good mix of the classes, and then we had the doubt clearing sessions as well. So you could not say that the online mode of operations had interrupted our studies in any way or form. Alright, so again, this would be a continuation of the kind of personalized attention that we received at Erudite over here. The GDPS sessions, well, this year we didn't really, we did actually. We had mock GDs as well to get us accustomed to how the flow might go into it. And even for the PI sessions, the mock interviews were extremely well adapted to the various institutes. And those were on a basis wherein you could always approach them for help. So I think I might need an extra interview, could you please help me? And then there was always feedback at the end of it as well. So I remember for certain interviews, there were questions that sir had already asked me, or he'd given me guidance that you should be working on this area, and then it did end up really helping me in the actual interview itself. So I remember calling up saying, "Sir, you actually asked this, and this actually helped me out a lot. So thank you so much." So yeah, it was really good. Should start preparation is kind of a dicey subject because everybody has their different time slots where they want to complete. But the one advice that would really help you is in terms of where you should stop and change your mode of study. So in that regard, follow the institute, whatever they're giving guidance. And Kaushik sir said one thing, there is no end to the syllabus because there is no set syllabus. So after a particular point of time, I would suggest just stop freaking out that I haven't completed the syllabus. Try to complete as much of it as you can, say by June, even by July. And after that, just start giving mocks and all. And I think there are no tips that I can give because in Erudite, you receive all of the attention that you do need. The material is absolutely fantastic, and the faculty and even the front desk are so approachable, and they adapt so well to if you think you need some extra attention or anything of the sort. They're very busy people, but they always make out time for you. And I think that would be unparalleled to any other institution. So I would definitely recommend Erudite.